Chinese Premier Li Qiang will attend the G20 summit in India, which is scheduled to take place on September 9 and 10 in the national capital instead of President Xi Jinping. That would make him the second major leader after Russia's President Vladimir Putin to skip the event. While Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson Mao Ning declined to answer the reason behind Xi Jinping's decision to skip the G20 meeting, it is out in the open that relations between China and India have grown frosty over their disputed border. This will be the first time that a Chinese president has missed a leaders' summit since the first edition was held in 2008, though in 2020 and 2021 during the COVID-19 pandemic, Xi attended virtually. Various analysts have come up with different explanations of why Xi is giving the summit in India a miss. While some believe it could be a show of solidarity with Russian President Vladimir Putin, some other analysts see it as a snub of host India. So, what issues might have led Xi Jinping to give the summit a miss? Beijing's territorial claims. Beijing recently released a so-called standard map laying territorial claims over Arunachal Pradesh, Aksai Chin, as well as Taiwan and the South China Sea. Alipov attempted to play it down. China releases the standard map every year, but it's for the first time that India has lodged a strong protest over the map issues, rejecting the claims of the communist nation. The timing of the map release was a little surprising since it came just a few days ahead of the G20 summit. At the recently concluded BRICS summit in Johannesburg, Prime Minister Narendra Modi held a brief interaction with Xi, wherein he had expressed grave concern over the situation along the line of actual control. India-China border dispute. Relations between China and India have grown frosty over their disputed border. 3 years ago, the tensions resulted in a clash in the Ladakh region that killed 20 Indian soldiers. It turned into a long-running standoff in the rugged mountainous area, where each side had stationed tens of thousands of military personnel backed by artillery, tanks and fighter jets. Frictions over trade. Frictions have also risen over trade and India's growing strategic ties with China's main rival, the US. Both India and China have expelled the other's journalists. Focus on domestic issues. Xi might be reluctant to travel abroad, given his focus on domestic issues. Xi Jinping is settling his own agenda, where his top concern is national security, and he has to stay in China and make foreign leaders visit him instead. Wu, associate professor at the Lee Kuan Yew School of Public Policy at the National University of Singapore, said. Delhi is all decked up for hosting the G20 summit. World leaders like US President Joe Biden, Canada's Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, and others will gather for the big event in the country's capital.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.